student results with phone, you can just go over to your WPS. That's where my Microsoft Excel is. You open it. So when you get here, you go over to this create option here. You tap on this create. Then you will be required to choose the particular program you want to work with. So let me go for MX Excel, which is this XLX here. Don't forget that if you don't have WPS on your phone, you can get it by going to Play Store. Once you get to Play Store, you search for WPS. That is the app we are going to use for this. Now you will see this one here that says WPS Office, PDF, Word, Sheet, and other ones. So that is the one you are going to install on your phone. So once it is installed, you open it and start from where we stopped. Okay, so you open this XLS, that is Microsoft Excel. All right, so you go over to blank sheet. So here you can see your columns and your rows, okay, and you can see your cells. All right, and you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and you can even add more sheets to this. Okay. Final examination for GIF Academy. Serial number first. Serial number, so we can number them. Okay, I go over to the next cell. I type the names of the students' names. I come over here, test 1, test 2, then exam, then I shift it, I come over here, I double click, total. You can see the formula bar here where you can also view whatever you are doing. Total, then you come over here and type the grade. You shift and come over here and type remark. Okay, remark. All right, so I'll now come here and enter the serial number. So students number 1, students number 2. Well, let me enter their names first so that I can know how many names I have. OB Peters. The second name, Ada George. The third name, let me just have like 5 names here. Blessing Jude. Is that Blessing correct? No. Blessing Jude. I come over here, the fourth one. John Asika. Okay, let me type one more. Amer Khan. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. So you can go ahead and type the number of students you have. So for me, I'm using 5 as an example because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so test 1, this test 1 and test 2, they are over 20 each. So test 1, 20 marks, test 2, 20 marks. My exams will be like 60 marks. So making everything over 100, okay? But your own can be maybe 30 or 70. It depends on whatever you want to use. So let me go ahead and enter the test scores. So let me just pause this video so that we don't waste time here. Let me just enter one, then I pause video so that we can be fast with this. So this one has 9 over 20 in test 1. In test 2, 10 over 20. So let me enter the rest. Then in exam, he has like about 50. So I'm done entering their scores. Let's go over to total. So to score them, you just have to, so under this total, so let's start with manual formula. You now say equals to sum, bracket open. So the total will start from C6 to, we are adding for OB Peter as the first person. So from test 1, which is C6, to exams, which is E6. So the C is for the column, the 6 is for the row, and the E is for the column where the calculation will end, and the 6 is for the row. So we have C6 is to, which is a semicolon, is to E6. You close it, okay? Then you press the enter key on your phone, and you see that the total here is 27. So for the rest of the students, you don't have to start solving them one after the other. Just hold here, long press, and you will see these 4 arrows here. Hold the down one, then drag it down. You see that the other ones will be filled automatically, okay? So the next formula, the next way you can do this automatically, which is the total. So you can just place your cursor there. So let me place it in the first one that I want to find the total. and now go over to this option here. You go over to this icon down here. You go over to data. You will see data. Then you can see auto sum here. You tap on auto sum. So it will ask you, what do you want to sum? Is it the sum or the average or the count? You go over to sum. Okay. Now it has highlighted everything. Just press enter and it will sum it automatically for you without you having to input the formula. Okay. So to fill it down, just long press, you hold it, then scroll up here. You will see an option that says fill. You select fill, then hold this down arrow and drag it down. Okay, so that is for total. Let's go over to grade. So under grade, let's assume that from 80 and above is A. Then from 70 to 80 is B or something like that. So let's just go ahead and solve it. So it depends on the grading system you want to use. So let me just start. I place it here. I double click. Equals to if. So we are using our total for this. Bracket open. Let me highlight F6. Okay. F6, which is the total. F6, you find greater than or equals to 80. You put a quotation mark, a quotation mark again, comma, then if bracket open, the same total greater than or equals to 70, comma, quotation mark, a minus or maybe b, let me just say b, okay, quotation mark close, comma, then if if brackets open, the same total greater than or equals to, let me just say 60, comma, apostrophe, then a c, apostrophe close, okay, comma, if brackets open, so the same total greater than or equals to 50, comma, apostrophe. So from 50, let's just say the person will have a D, okay, apostrophe close, comma. If, don't forget that this grading system depends on the one your school has. If, bracket open, the same total greater than or equals to 44, comma, quotation mark, then we have E, quotation mark close, comma, then from 43 downwards, it will now be an F. So you don't have to put another if, just comma, then a quotation mark again, you put an F. Then you close it with a quotation mark. Then how many brackets do we have? From this formula bar here, you can easily count the number of brackets we have. We opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we opened 5 brackets. So you're going to close this with 5 brackets as well. You can even come here and type it if it is not flexible for you to type here. So just come here and type it, okay? If you know you cannot type here, you come here and type it. You see the same thing. So let me put 5 brackets because I opened 5 brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You now press enter. And you can see that this first person with a total of 27 has an F. So for the rest, just hold it. Then you scroll down and find fill. Then you can now drag it down, okay? So that is all about that. Now let's solve for remark. We have if, but the first thing is equals to if, bracket open, then the total F6 greater than or equals to 80. So from 80 and above, comma, quotation mark, excellent. So from 80 and above is excellent. You can decide to use anything you like. Then a quotation mark close, comma, if, bracket open, total greater than or equals to 70, comma, quotation mark, Very good. Very good. Quotation mark close, comma, if, bracket open, the total greater than equals to 60, comma, quotation mark. So let's say good, quotation mark close, comma, if, bracket open, the same total greater than or equals to, let's say 50, comma, quotation mark, we have like credit, quotation mark close, comma, then if, bracket open, total greater than equals to 44, comma, quotation mark, we have pass, quotation mark close, comma, then no need of if again, because anything less than that should be fail. So we have another quotation mark, then fail, quotation mark, so no comma because we are done with this. So we count how many brackets. We open 5 brackets here. So you close it with 5 brackets, okay? That is nested if. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then enter. You can see that this F means fail. Then you hold it here, scroll and select fill. Then you drag it down. So that is how to solve it. All right. So if there is any need for you to adjust your cell, you can just hold it there. For example, this name, this Jew did not come out very well. You can just hold it and drag it back so that everything will come out. So that is how to solve student results in Microsoft Excel. You can as well go ahead and do the formatting like the coloring. Okay, so that is all about that. Hi everyone, I'm Mario from Webagon Hub. Thanks for watching this Excel tutorial on student results competition. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and digital finance tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.